Hello, the aim of this video is to explain the details of cabin log defect. For this purpose, let's open a cabin log defect work order page, and here you can see the cabin log defect information existing here. This is data log defect ID number existing in the system, and registration status DSR, again ID number of the database, station cabin log work order, again ID number of the database, cabin log no. As you can see, all numbers written no statement at the last, like here, are the reference numbers of our hard copy logbooks. So this is cabin logbook sheet no existing in the cabin logbook sheet, hard copy. And here is the reported by section, technician, pilot, cabin. I will go through all these information one by one at the record view page, and here we cannot see the discrepancy action taken information that you will enter while creating a record. Because of that, I don't think that you will generally use this page. We will have another solution for this. I will explain the reasons and this suspect list view in the following parts of this video. And here some predefined filtering options for the aircrafts. You can use these also. And now let's go to the record view to explain the further details. And here, let's start by inserting a record. As you know, we have to select the DSR from here. I double click, for example, make an example for the Golf aircraft. You'll see, I have to check from here if the DSR of my ground time that I performed the maintenance activity is open or not. If yes, I will select from here and press return value. If not, I have to press insert and create this, and after that create suspect DSR, and after that I have to press return value. Now I'm not doing the inserting issue. I will just select and press return value. Now I have the DSR information here. I have to fill, like, again as 100% same with the data log defect. I have to fill 5 fields. Cabin log number. This is the sheet number. Please be careful about this. And here is the technician. And also we have some other options here. If this is reported by the cabin, pilot, or technician, generally it should be cabin. Select cabin. If you select cabin, you don't need to fill this area. But if you select technician from here, you have to mention the name of the technician also here. Let's select one of them. Yes. And also now we fill these areas. This is the hard copy page number. These, as I said, the statements existing at the last as no mentions the hard copy sheet number. And here, as you can see, release and maintenance organization information were already transferred. Now I have to write here the release date and try to save. The release date should be 9th of November 20. Okay, I will write a suitable time information. Like this and save. Okay, now as you can see, my release date must be between beginning and end of ground time information. What if I'm sure that my release date is correct and the DSR flight is correct and the beginning of ground time information are not correct according to your knowledge of the operation, and you are pretty sure about that? At that time, let me change the time information. For example, I made this at this time, but it's not between this landing and takeoff times. And if I sure, I can write my correct release date and press here out of beginning of end of ground time and save button. At that time the record is saved and I can continue my operation. As you can see, I will fill the linking information at the top and the release information at the bottom. These are all for the record view. Afterwards I have to fill what I did at the aircraft. Now I should fill both discrepancy and action taken area with exactly the same words that I write into the cabin logbook. Please write everything is as same for the data quality. And afterwards, by the way, for the action taken area, you shouldn't write only the references because you will mention references here. And here we have all types of references here. For example, AMM, and for example, CMM. Sorry, keep it as AMM. And if I have another one, press that add new button and check from here, for example, FIM. Yes. Okay, I have to fill these areas like this by selecting related manual from here. As you know, you should write here the revision number. Forgive me for my mistake. And if you need to write the page number, you should also write the page number here. And yes, if I change any part, I have to press here add new button and write the part description, position, and part number information, serial number information for the removed and installed part, and press the save button. And yes, the document was saved. And finally, as you can see, we didn't use this time the save button existing here. Because of that, because of some technical reasons, we cannot put this into the pack program. As you know, Infor-AM is a pack program, and it don't have capability to insert data like this 1 to n, like the references. Because of that, our developers prepared a new tab for this discrepancy and action taken information. And here we can not use the save buttons at the top. We should use the buttons at the bottom. After we save, after we press the save button, the document will be saved. Please be careful about it. If you will not save the record that you entered, you cannot. It means that you shouldn't save the record. For example, I changed directly. And as you can see, I lose all my data entered here. I am now changing here something. And I forgot to click save button. And when I try to change it, it doesn't give me an error. Please be careful about it to not lose your data. Okay, here is the performer tab and comments and documents tab. You know the details of these. Please watch our related video for this purpose. And here we have another tab named as discrepancy action taken list view. As I said at the beginning of my video, there are the action taken discrepancy information that you write here. Because of this page is a custom tab, we cannot show these information at the main list view. As you can see, there is no discrepancy action taken information. Because of that, we develop another view here. This is the list view of the discrepancy action taken information. From here, you can see that registration status, cabin log, no release date, and additional informations here can be seen, like references, part number, chains, etc. Please be careful about that. Not be careful, sorry. Please use this view in case you want to check the discrepancy action taken, record entries, and actually these are all for cabin log defect. I hope it's clear for you. Thank you for listening us.